So I wanted to do a size comparison video of the two silicone girls. And from the video, they look like they're almost about the same size. But she is a bit more petite. Her legs are really short. They're shorter than hers. But her arms are pretty long. But they look at them. Don't they look so cute next to each other? That's the full body silicone girls. They're definitely both super sweet. She can take pretty much any size of pacifier because her mouth has a really big opening, unlike her sisters. So, I just wanted to show you guys how cute they look. And then, this is the giveaway baby in comparison on size. She's a preemie. So, I'll put her there so you guys can see how big she is. She's really cute, though. She fits preemie clothes really nice. So I'll put the link in the description again on how you can enter that giveaway. But there they are, the two silicone girls. They're so adorable. So yeah, alright guys, well thanks so much for watching.